Everyone needs a great cookie recipe that can be ready in about half an hour. And what I love about this recipe is most of the ingredients you probably have at home. If you don't have some lemons, we'll just steal one from your neighbours. So in a mixer, I'm going to add some butter. This is just softened butter. You really want it to be soft so it mixes and incorporates really well with our sugar. Some caster sugar. And to that, I'm going to add a generous amount of vanilla extract, so about 1.5 teaspoons. And we're going to blitz this until it's completely cream, so really fluffy. Okay, this is creamed together nicely. So in with some lemon zest. And we want about 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. So we'll just roughly measure that out and we'll squeeze that in. Fantastic. You want a nice lemony flavour for these cookies. And the last thing I'll add before we add the flour is 1 egg. So I'll just break that egg in. And I'll incorporate that and then we can add our flour. Now I'm not using any type of plain flour for this. I actually like to use a biscuit style plain flour. This is a soft, low protein flour, so it absorbs the moisture in the actual mixture, giving us a lovely consistency with our cookie. So on with our motor, we're going to blend that, incorporate it, and then little by little, we'll add our flour and a bit of baking powder. Fantastic, our soft cookie dough is ready to go. I love the smell of all that lemon. And now what we need to do is make our cookies. Now I'm not placing these into the fridge to chill, we're gonna bake them straight away. I did say it's a fast recipe. So my little tip is to get yourself a small spoon or an ice cream scooper just like this. I'm gonna make a mini ones, but you can make bigger ones if you like. On a tray with some baking paper, and I'm going to scoop some of the mixture and just place it onto the tray. So they're roughly the same size. I'll press them down slightly and then they go into the oven 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Cookies are out of the oven, I've allowed them to cool, and I've just made a really quick icing. It's a combination of icing sugar and the lemon juice, and this is totally optional, but I kind of like that drizzle effect and really making them look quite rustic. I think they taste better if they look really homemade. So just with your spoon, just drizzle that mixture over the top. And they take no time at all to set. Like I said, these are really quick cookies done in about 30 minutes. I'm gonna place them on a plate. That, with a cup of tea in the afternoon, is all I crave. And there you have it. That's my homemade, freshly baked lemon cookies.